I wanted to jump on here really quick and just let you guys know something. I wanted to let you know I just left work. I worked 11 hours today. I work in healthcare. I worked in healthcare for the past 22 years, and my job is not easy. It's physically demanding, it's stressful, it's very high intensity. I work long hours, I take a lot of call, and yeah, I signed up for all of that when I chose my career. But I wanted to let you know something. I decided that enough was enough. And I decided that I was going to go through a digital marketing course and learn high income skills. And I've applied those skills. I've applied what I've learned. So by night, I'm going to say I'm a digital marketer. And I just made more money in my online business than I did working 11 hours here at the hospital. I'm telling you this again, not to brag. Guys, I am not crazy smart. I'm not anything special. I'm just an average person. I'm a mom. I work in healthcare, like I said, for the last 22 years, but I just decided I wanted more. I wanted more free time. I wanted more money to do the fun things, to travel more without, stressing over how much is the gas, how much are groceries, can I afford this? Can I afford that? I wanted to stop stressing out. So I learned the skills. And like I said, while I was at my day job, I just almost doubled my pay working here 11 hours, all because I have everything set up. My business is almost automated. Okay. Doesn't run on autopilot, but it's almost completely automated. And I make these videos sharing my journey with you. And I want to let you, this is the biggest message. You can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. And it does take time. You're not going to sign up today and make millions of dollars tomorrow. No, it's a job. It's a business that you're building from bottom up. You're the CEO. But if you don't quit and you keep applying the skills that you learn in the course, and you can apply them to whatever you're passionate about, okay? Whatever you're passionate about, apply those skills. And that's what I've done. And I am loving every minute of the entire process. So save this video so you can come back to it. And guys, I mentor you for free for 3 months. If you're ready to get started, just comment ready below and make sure you're following me, because I'm always sharing my journey with you and how you can do this too.